Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Border City. Today we're checking out a tour of a pre-owned 2012 Ford Focus SEL sedan. Blue candy metallic exterior color and powered by a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. That's paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission with front-wheel drive. This blue candy Focus has halogen high beams, low beams, and a pair of fog lamps. It has active park assist, an engine block heater, a chrome accented grille, a set of plain steel wheels with winter tires on it. We have body-colored mirror caps and door handles, signal light mirrors, and 4 full doors to accommodate 5 passengers. It has a keyless entry system, a hardtop roof, and lots of space and storage. It has SEL badging at the rear. It has rear park sensors and a large trunk. It has a backup camera. It also has a subwoofer in the trunk. The rear window has rear window defrost. This model offers a black interior with power windows, power locks, and power heated mirrors. We have automatic headlamps, tilt and telescopic steering wheel that offers cruise control, trackpad for the menu zone, and trackpad for the media zone. A flow-through center console, a hand park brake, heated cloth front seats, and a hardtop roof. The seats are manual adjusting. In the instrument display, the key in the running position. We have an odometer reading at just a mere 89,000 kilometers. It has a nice productivity screen in the driver's view. We have a MyFord Touch information system, a backup camera when shifted to reverse. We have a premium Sony sound system. We have dual climate control zones, air conditioning, and the auto park feature. And we have a glove box for more storage. The second row is a 60-40 split bench where you'll find lots of leg and headroom. There's a 12-volt power supply and storage and seat pockets of the driver and passenger seat. If you have any additional questions about this model, please don't hesitate to contact our professional and friendly sales staff. Look forward to answering any questions you may have, and we thank you for shopping online with us here at Boundary Ford.